Hello and welcome. Now we will move to the next section, that is drawing. So in this PowerPoint we can make any drawing, we can insert any shape, we can insert any image in our presentation. For that, let's select these commands one by one. For that, we have this particular slide available, so let us delete this thing. So we can choose any shape from these and we will simply draw it at any area of our presentation, of our slide. So after drawing this shape, we can change. You can see now this shape format tab gets included in our PowerPoint. For now, we can change the background color of this particular shape by going into these styles, and we can change its background color, or we have more options available. For example, if we want to change the fill color of this particular shape, we can select any color from here and we can apply that particular color. And we have an outline in this tab. So to change the weight of our outline or to change the color of our outline, we can simply choose on any color which we want. Or for example, if I want to change the weight of my outline, for that we can simply click on this command. And after that, for example, if I want to change the style of my outline, and for that we have this option available. So these are a few options, important options, which you may use to make a beautiful shape in PowerPoint. And by simply double clicking on the shape, we can get back to these options, and if we want to change anything else, so we can go and simply choose that particular command from this section. And after that, you can see we can edit this shape. For that, we have to change this shape to any other shape. For example, this was rectangular shape. Now we will change it to this shape. So we can change the shape to any other shape by simply going on to this command, or we can edit its points also. For example, by clicking on this option which we have chosen, we can change this particular shape. We can make it as we want. So this is how we can make our shape more attractive, or how we can apply change to our shapes in our PowerPoint slide. So after that, let's try with a different shape and let's add a different gradient. We can simply click on this picture and we can add any picture to this particular shape, and we can add gradient, or if we want, we can add any texture to this particular shape. And we can change by shape effects. We can change this shape and its effects. For example, let us change it to 3D. For that, we have to first of all click on this, we have to select this particular shape, and then we can apply any type of effect. Or if we want to apply the shadow to our shape, or if we want to bevel it, or if we want to glow it more. For example, let us change it to it. For example, let us change the shape to this effect. So now, dear students, you can see how we have inserted a shape in our PowerPoint, and how we have changed its fill color, how we have changed its outline, how we have changed any effect, and we have applied a different effect on this particular shape. So after this, for example, if we want to add any text in the shape, for that we have to simply right click on this shape and we have to click on edit text, and here we can type anything we want. And after selecting this text, we have these options, these commands available which we can work or apply on our text. This is the text color, and this is the outline of text, and these are the effects. For example, if we want to apply any effect, we can choose that effect from this, and we can simply change the position, or for example we can align it by using this command. We can rotate this particular shape to any angle, whatever we want. So this was all for drawing section, and after this we have one more section in our home tab, that's editing. For example, let's change this binary to decimal. For that we have to simply click on this replace, and we have to type binary and we will replace it with decimal. First of all, we will find it. Where is it? So it has now found where is binary located in our paragraph. Now we will simply press, if we want to change, for example, if we have a presentation and we want to change a particular word which it is synonym, for that we can first of all put the data of both two words over there, and after that we will click on this find next, and we can, by clicking on replace, it gets changed one by one. Or if we want to apply the change at once, we can simply click on this replace all. So we have a shortcut key, that's Ctrl H. For this we can simply enable this replace with Ctrl H. And for example, in our presentation or in our text, if we want to find any particular word, for that we have this command available. For example, I want to search for binary, so there is no binary word available in our presentation. So now we will make it to typically, and we will find it. So it has now found the particular word which we need. And after that we have this select option available for selecting our whole text or our presentation or our tools which are available in our presentation. We have a shortcut key, that's Ctrl A. Or we have this, for example, I want to select all, I can simply press Ctrl select all. Or for example, I want to select the object, we can simply select on this, and by clicking on here we can select the object. By clicking on this we can simply select the object and we can change its location. So dear student, this was all for home tab. Now we have learned how we can use these commands to make our presentation more beautiful, or how we can change the line spacing, the font text size, font text style, font text color, or how we can increase or decrease the font size, and how we can insert a new slide in our presentation, and how we can change the layout of our slide. And now we have these options, which is clipboard, available here. So we can, this is cut, this option is for cut. For example, let me cut this program from here we have to click on cut, and for example if I want to paste it here, I have to first of all put my cursor on the appropriate location where I want to paste that particular item, and I will simply click on paste, and the same item will get pasted over here. So this is easy. I hope you will now be able to make a presentation by using these types of commands. So thank you.